Oh no. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and as you guys can tell from the title, this video has got an announcement. It's pretty big, so I'm not going to beat around the bush. Let's just dive right into it. So I have decided to, I guess, switch gears with this channel and go into more lifestyle. Not completely abandon beauty. I'm still going to do beauty videos here and there, but I think most of the videos you guys are going to see here are going to be more vlogs and lifestyle type content, mostly because I feel, and I know a couple of my friends also feel this, that beauty videos have kind of died. I don't know, like I think people watch beauty videos for different reasons, not just for like the makeup side of things anymore. There's like other factors as well, and personally I don't feel like I can compete, and I don't have the same amount of passion as some of your favorite, I guess, beauty makeup reviewers have. So I'm just gonna go and stick to what I actually feel more passionate about, which is more lifestyle vlogging and just, I guess, sharing my life with you guys. I think that's always been something that I've really enjoyed, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So expect more vlogs, but again, I'm still going to do the odd beauty video here and there, but I might change up the presentation, I guess. But anyway, today is my day off and I am going to do a couple of things around the house. I'm going to do some cleaning. I've got some groceries arriving that I need to pop away, and I also need to go to the post office to grab some mail, so I might do a bit of a haul for you guys if it's anything interesting. Just heard a knock on the door, so I believe my food order is here, and yep, there it is. Oh, it's annoying. I hate how when delivery people just leave it in front of like the fly screens. Like, now I have to do that, and kind of, it's annoying. Anyway, I'm gonna need both hands. I mean, I wish they just put it to the side so I can actually open my door properly. But anyway, again, I've got Youfoodz. I'll show you guys what I have in here and then pack them away. Okay, so I've just popped it onto the kitchen bench, and this is pretty much what you get. So if you guys haven't ordered anything like this before, usually they have like these, I guess, like bubble wrap things, and also usually coming with ice blocks to keep everything nice and cool. I think you can get these delivered any time of the day, I believe, but for people that work, you know, they have these ice blocks so that it keeps nice and cool in case you're not home yet. But I always try and aim for it to arrive when we're still at home, or on my days off. So these are some of the meals. They've got a couple of new ones that I was really interested to try out. So like this one, the large chicken katsu curry. If you don't know what that means, it's like a Japanese curry with some crumbed chicken. So these things are really good. Also, the ones that I choose are the higher protein ones, because higher protein usually means you're fuller for longer and really good for building muscle. So as you guys can see, I've got just a combination of different things. So some katsu curry, some chipotle mayo chicken, so anything like steak, meatballs and that sort of stuff, that's usually for my partner. I'm not a huge beef eater. I obviously eat beef, but I just don't prefer it. So the beef options are usually for my partner. Anything that is, I guess, spicy is usually mine. I've tried this one. This is the large karaage chicken poke bowl. It's actually really good. I wasn't really sure how I was going to go with like these vegetables, like the edamame, but it's actually really good. Also got some spaghetti and stuff like that. But yeah, these are just some meals that I've ordered. I try not to order too much. These are just usually more my backup meals. So like after work, I just can't be bothered to cook, or my partner can't be bothered to cook, so we'll just wipe these in the microwave. So what I actually do is I pop them in the freezer, because you guys can see they've got expiry dates. Yeah, just to keep them longer, and yeah, backup meals. So I've answered some emails. I've just changed into this really fashionable outfit. I'm just gonna go get the mail. I think my hair is doing something funny. I'm just gonna collect the mail. I don't really ever dress up to get the mail. I mean, I probably should be wearing black jeans so that my blue shoes aren't very, you know, eye-catching, but anyway, I'm now in the kitchen. I'm going to prepare myself a little cup of coffee. So I've got this Starbucks takeaway cup thing that I got in Japan a few years ago, so I'm just going to make a coffee in that. I was actually thinking maybe I should just buy a coffee while I'm out and about, but then I just remembered I am trying to work in my budget. I haven't been really good with the budget in the last few weeks, just because we have been in a lockdown. I haven't been able to work, and yeah, finances. Anyway, so I'm just trying to save money here and there wherever I can. So yeah, I'm just gonna make a coffee. Okay, so now I'm out and about, and it's actually quite a nice day. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's just like blue skies. And yeah, I've got my cup of coffee, and I think it's going to take me 10 to 12 minutes maybe to walk to the post office and then walk back, be another 10, 12. So I think it's a nice walk, like a 20-minute walk. And yeah, I'll see what other shops are around because I kind of want to buy a snack, but we'll see. Back home, so that walk was absolutely lovely. It was just pure sun. I don't think there was a cloud in the sky, and I've forgotten how quiet my neighborhood is. I always go out with headphones in and just listen to music because I do have a bit of social anxiety, and I feel like when I have my headphones in I can kind of concentrate on where I'm going and just block out everyone else, and also prevents people from really talking to me, if that makes sense. But today it was just really quiet. There was hardly any people on the street. I probably saw a couple of tradies like working on a couple of homes. That's pretty much it. So it was just really nice, and I forgot how, like I said, I've forgotten how quiet it is in my neighborhood. So that was really nice. Anyway, it was a nice quick walk. I finished my coffee and I received 2 packages. I would have shown you guys while I was like walking. I had this whole plan that I was going to vlog while walking home with my packages, but I got like 2 big boxes. Well, they're not big, but you know, 2 boxes that really needed me to kind of like hold on to them. So yeah, I am also planning to do a live stream on both MrKenDenis and Glam Boys as well. I've got my Pixel 5 and I've got my Pixel 3, so I'm just going to set them up and kind of do an unboxing as well while I do it for the vlog as well. Ooh, okay, so this package is from Biotin. So this is what it looks like. They sent me a card as well. They sent me this little cute canvas bag. I like it when they send in canvas bags like this. I actually like sort of like reusing them for my own stuff. So first thing up we've got is, I think this is micellar water, is it? Yeah, it's a micellar water. We also have their makeup wipes, which I believe is also micellar. Yeah, micellar water, so pretty much the same thing but in makeup wipe form. We have got the Hyaluronic Boost hand cream, which is great because I always have dry hands. I don't know if you guys can see, but like the nail bit, it's so dry for me because I always use hand sanitizer. I've got the Biotin Hyaluronic, Supreme Hyaluronic body lotion as well. Then we have the Skin Moisture Micelle Cleansing Gel. So I believe the whole range is very much Micelle technology at the moment. And then we also have the Skin Moisture Scrub Cream, which I believe you just use like a normal facial scrub. So it kind of looks like a St. Ives Apricot Scrub if I have to compare it to something that I've already used. Okay, so I've just finished my live stream and I had like maybe a few people join on both accounts, which is fine. Yeah, I kind of enjoy doing these live streams because I do feel like I get more interaction, like more like instant interaction. But yeah, I am going to go have lunch. I think it's like 12:30. Yeah, so I have a story for you guys. So Friday after work, I think it was Friday. Yeah, Friday. Oh no, Saturday after my event. My partner and I wanted to go out for dinner, but then we couldn't decide, and everywhere that we wanted to go to was like booked out. So we decided to just order in, and silly me, I ordered 2 lots of carbonara. So my partner wanted carbonara, and for some reason I ordered 2, and when it arrived I thought like, oh, the restaurant made a mistake, until I looked at the invoice and I saw like, oh, I paid for 2. Oh well. So he had one of them, and then the other one's just been sitting in the fridge. So it's currently Monday. According to Google, it's still fine. So let me just ask her again. Hey Google, how long can you keep carbonara in the fridge? Rude. Hey Google, how long can you keep carbonara in the fridge?
4 days. On the website livestrong.com, they say, store the sealed spaghetti alla carbonara in the refrigerator for up to 4 days.
So yeah, there you guys go. I always just ask that I don't want to say its name because it starts listening and then it thinks I'm asking a question every time, but no. Yeah, so I just ask that every now and then, like how long I can store things, how long I should be cooking things, so it's really handy. Yeah, it's a shame that this package of VOS is like full of stuff I can't talk about just yet. I believe it's for product launch in July, so keep an eye on that on my Instagram page. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and have my lunch, and then I'm going to edit these videos, and then I'm also possibly going to be doing my hair. Also, I don't think I have spoken about this because I have filmed a couple of vlogs, but they just didn't end up going live. But basically, I have a new job. I don't think I've spoken about that on the channel just yet. I'm really excited. So I basically left my job of 5 years just because I just felt like it was time for me to move on. It was a great experience for me, learned a lot, but you know, there was just a couple of things that had changed in my life, so therefore I needed to change my job as well. So I've started a new job and I am really happy. At first when I started the new job I was a bit anxious. I mean, I guess, you know, if you've worked somewhere for so long and you start a new job, it's very natural not to feel very comfortable, I guess, in the first few weeks, but I've only been there for, I'd like to say, 2 weeks, and so far I have been very welcomed and I've adjusted pretty well so far. Fingers crossed. Like, I haven't been booked out completely with patients yet, so I don't know how I'm going to deal once I have like a full-on day, but it's been getting quite busy, and in terms of like my injections and stuff like that, I've been pretty good, I think. No one's complained and I'm really happy about it, so yeah. But anyway, that's pretty much it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.